Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to merge tags in Mailchimp. This is Mailchimp.com, and first I will log in to my account. Once you're inside your Mailchimp account, to merge multiple tags in your account, just scroll down to tags below audience. Click on tags. The two tags that I will merge or combine in this tutorial are the Las Vegas tag and the California. Let's check the email that is tagged Las Vegas. As you can see, I have a single email. It's called ben@bensexperience.com. And on the second tag, California, I have, I think, multiple emails, addresses. Yes, multiple addresses, and the address ben@bensexperience.com is not one of them. Now, to merge both of these tags, it's simple. First, you need to create a new tag, and you add the contacts inside both of the tags into the created or the new one or the parent one. Let's create a new tag. Let's call it USA. Hit this create button. Now that we have our third tag, let's go into the Las Vegas tag. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Now you need to select all the email addresses in this tag, just like that. If you have lots of email addresses or contacts in a single tag, just click on this little down arrow and hit select all. This way you will select all the visible contacts in this page and also the hidden or the contacts in the second page or third page, for example. Now click on this tag contacts button and select your parent or the new tag that you've just created. In my case, it's this USA tag. Click on apply. As you can see, selected tag added to one contact. Now let's go back to the tags page. Let's check if our single email address is moved or is tagged USA. As you can see, now the ben@bensexperience.com address is added to the USA tag. Now let's repeat the same thing with the second tag. Click on view. Check this box, or in this case, I will go with select all. Now all the email addresses inside this California tag will be moved to the USA tag. Click on add or apply. Let's check the USA tag now, and it should have all of my emails. And this is how to merge tags in Mailchimp. You can go back to the tags page and delete the previous tags, just like that. And this is how to merge tags in Mailchimp. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.